Well, he jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hey, I haven't seen you since last year.
Hey Steve, good to see you. I'm Makwaden V2. Of course, last year was Makwaden V1. Had the big 40-foot school bus that was a proof of concept. I found this bus here, which was a 29-foot International. It's a 2003 DT 466E, so it's that million-mile motor. As you can see, I did a 16-inch roof raise. Got a roof deck up top, solar panels. You can see four of these white antennas. That's a dual band LTE. One's for AT&T, one's for Verizon. I have 24-volt system in here, which is all Victron, using their Lynx distribution system. There'll be a 125-gallon freshwater tank right in there, and then storage underneath the bed as well.
Now, how much solar did you have on the roof?
1,640 watts of solar.
Okay, and what kind of, you got lithium batteries or?
Yeah, right now I just have two 12-volt 200-amp batteries that are in series for 24.
Right.
Once the prices come down on those 24-volt 200 ampers, or they go to the 300 amp, we'll see when that happens. I'll put 3 of them in there,
yeah,
and that'll suffice us.
Nice.
Yeah, so come on in. Before I did the roof raise and I relocated the door from the front here, I had a fuel tank on this side, so I had to drop the fuel tank, relocate it to the other side, put in the steps here. Everything that you see is currently work in progress. I came out here when I came out here about 2 months ago to Dome Rock. I took everything out of the bus, took it down to the bare bones, sealed the floor, sealed all the holes, painted it, primed it, painted it, 2 inches of insulation, and then the subfloor. I did spray foam insulation. It's 3-pound roofing spray foam. There's 2.5 to 3 inches of spray foam on the walls and then the ceiling. We have a diesel heater that sits up front underneath our couch, which is a progress. We're going to eventually make this so that it's kind of like a lounge that chills up here. We do have the wood stove. Another diesel heater will be in the back as well. We will put we'll put an AC, dehumidifier, and condenser up there for that as well. Have the propane stove here. This will all be storage drawers that pull out. Sink in progress. We have a nice 24-volt fridge. Everything in the bus is 24 volts, so pretty much all these blue lines are all tubes that go back to there that will run 24 volt. All these are 120. I try to keep everything 24 volts so we don't have to lose any conversion process for electrical. And you see the wood stove, everything's really built here. This is really solid, bolted all the way through everything. We don't want this coming crashing down.
Yeah, no.
No, not at all. We'll have a kind of like a kitchen table here that collapses and so forth. Again, 120 down here and then 24 volt here. Some seating and whatnot. Come back here, you'll see a composting toilet around the corner. This will be a shower. Come back into this area. We have drawers and such that are, each drawer is for a bunk bed. Here's a toddler bunk on the bottom, and we have a toddler bunk up on top. We have 2 toddlers right now, a 2-year-old and a 3-year-old. So a lot of people are like, well, what happens when they outgrow this? Well,
Bus 3.
Yeah, there will be a bus 3. We're currently looking for a 36-footer that's an International DT 466E, and then we'll cut the roof and I'll go 20 inches on that one. So more storage. Over in here, there will be a combo washer dryer unit. We do have a baby on the way that's due in April. We'll end up creating another bunk or some type of system right here for her. And then you have the king size bed that's up in here, and around this corner you'll see the electrical fuses. There's a 24 volt block, 12 volt block. The 120 is not yet in there, but the top one is for the solar, surge arresters and such.
Right.
Yeah, so it's all a major work in progress, and I was hoping to be done by now, but you know, building in the desert has its challenges.
Yeah, just getting materials is a big one.
Yeah, we were in Dome Rock in the Quartzsite area for a month, and just going back and forth to Phoenix, back and forth to Havasu.
Yeah, you flip a coin.
Dollars of travel.
Yeah, Yuma has everything. Like Havasu has everything, pretty much.
Yeah.
But in Phoenix, what, 2.5 hours to Phoenix, 100 miles more or less to Yuma, 100 miles to Lake Havasu, and nothing in Blythe.
No, nothing in Blythe, nothing there. So we were in this area for about a month, and then we went up to Havasu for a month.
Sure.
And that was, I wish I would have just went to Havasu from the beginning, because it would have saved thousands of dollars in fuel and just traveling. It was, we were running to Phoenix or to Havasu once or twice a week, and that's in this $300 each way, or one way round trip. So.
Right. So.
Yeah. So I'll definitely see you at Skoolie UP.
Yeah, I look forward to catching up to you there, and you know, so continued in a second.
Yes.